Halloween is coming. Experience the first ever spooky and splashy Halloween party this October, as frightful fun descends on Waterworld Ocean Park.
From 1st to 31st of October 2022, dive into the thrilling Halloween games and activities, and snap a lot of Instagrammable photos with themed decorations across the water park.
No Halloween party would be complete without pumpkins. Big Wave Bay and Horizon Cove will be turned into water pumpkin ball pools, for adventurers to enjoy pumpkin fun in water and take a lot of playful snaps.
For those looking for a relaxing journey, jump into the Pumpkin River Mania Lazy Cruise with over 100 little pumpkins floating with you through the rainforest to the ice cavern.
As part of KLOOK's 8th birthday celebration, a series of Waterworld and Ocean Park admission deals have been launched. Don't miss out the exciting flash deal. Both parks with the price for one Waterworld admission ticket at 560 Hong Kong dollars. Waterworld adult weekday admission tickets for two at just 552 Hong Kong dollars.